મોર્નિંગ એવરીવન. આજે ધોરણ 10 ની અંદર પહેલું જે ચેપ્ટર છે અગેન્સ્ટ ધ ઓડ્સ એના અનુસંધાનમાં આજે આપણે ચર્ચા કરીશું. Means today we will discuss about the first topic of English standard 10 against the odds. This lesson indicates how to face problems, because today we have so many problems. Each and every person has problems. So many problems are faced by us, but each and every problem has solution. If you want solution of any problem, you have to think in the direction, and you have to take proper action in such a way so that you can solve the problem immediately, because each and every problem had a solution. There is no problem without solutions. So here unit number 1 against the odds means here in this lesson incidents, 3 incidents are described, and 3 villages or 3 incidents have different problems, but how these problems are solved. So these lessons against the odds is divided into 3 parts. First one is train to Tajnagar, second one is Sitapur Lights, and third one is Palakkad District Library. Today we are going to discuss about the first topic, first part, and the part is trek to Tajnagar. Trek to Tajnagar means Tajnagar ની અંદરનું આવેલું રેલવે ટ્રેક, રેલવે માર્ગ ત્યાં થઈને પસાર થતો હતો, ત્યાં રેલવે સ્ટેશન નહોતું. This is the problem of the people, and they have to face many problems. They have critical situations. These problems are faced by them. We will see the points and how they solve the problem. We will discuss in this manner. Now see, trek to Tajnagar. Here points are given. See, the residents of Tajnagar near Gurugram lobbied for a railway station for 25 years. So you can see what is the problem. What is the problem of the villagers? Here see the residents. Residents means रहवासियों, local people of this village. The residents of Tajnagar near Gurugram. Where is the Tajnagar? Tajnagar is near the Gurugram. Lobbied for means Raju. Waited for. Lobbied for means waited for. Lobbied for a railway station. They lobbied for railway station. Why did they lobby for? They lobbied for railway station for 25 years. How many years? 25 years. So you can see the residents of Tajnagar near Gurugram lobbied for a railway station for 25 years. मतलब कि તાજનગર જે ગુરુગ્રામ ની નજીક આવેલું છે, ત્યાંના જે રેસિડન્ટ્સ એટલે રહેવાસીઓ ગામ લોકોએ what is lobbied for a railway station, પોતાના ગામમાં રેલવે સ્ટેશન બનશે એવી રાહ જોઈ. how many years? કેટલા વર્ષ? 25 years. 25 years 25 વર્ષ સુધી રાહ જોઈ પોતાના ગામની અંદર રેલવે સ્ટેશન બને. This type of question will be asked in the exam. As for example, what or how many years did the resident of Tajnagar lobby for? Why? First question can be asked. So if such type of question is asked, you have to answer that the residents of Tajnagar near Gurugram lobbied for a railway station. Why did they lobby for? They lobbied for a railway station. And how many years? How long? How long or how many years? So they waited for 25 years. They waited for 25 years. 25 વર્ષ સુધી જે રાહ જોઈ. When their demand was not met, they decided to take matters into their own hands. When their demand was not met, they decided to take matters into their own hands. They when જ્યારે તેઓની ડિમાન્ડ એટલે માંગણી was not met, ના પૂરી થઈ, they decided નક્કી કર્યું to take matters, આ બાબત છે એ decided નક્કી કર્યું to take એટલે લેવા માટે matters બાબત into their own hands. હવે એમની જે માંગણી છે એ માંગણી ના પૂરી થઈ. When the demand was not met, they decided to take matters into their own hands. What did they do? એના માટે શું કર્યું? જ્યારે એમની લાગણી ના સંતોષ થાય ત્યારે આ બાબત પોતે પોતાની રીતે સોલ્વ કરે કયો? What did they do? They pulled in 21 lakh rupees. તેઓએ 21 લાખ રૂપિયા pulled in એટલે ભેગા કર્યા and built a railway station on their own hands. They pulled in 21 lakh rupees and built the station by their own hands. By own hands means without any supports. Anybody बिना support वगैरह बराबर से government ना support वगैरह without the help of government. The local people pulled in 21 lakh rupees. પોતાના ગામમાંથી 21 લાખ રૂપિયા બરાબર. What is the condition? What is the situation of the people? What are the peoples? So you can see here, most of 3,000 people, most of એટલે મોટા ભાગના 3,000 people, 3,000 લોકો living in the village are farmers. What are they? What are the villagers? Most of the villagers are the people living in the village are farmers. They are farmers by profession. They are farmers. Their burning desire to have a station. Burning desire means keen तीव्र इच्छा that he want to achieve. They wanted to get the most needed things. The most expected things means burning desire. Then burning desire to have a station. What is the burning desire? This type of question can be asked. What is the burning desire of the people? The burning desire of the people to have a station in their village. પોતાના ગામમાં reputation બને એવી એમની એક તીવ્ર ઇચ્છા હતી. They donated according to their capacity. તેઓએ પોતાની કેપેસિટી પ્રમાણે પોતાની ક્ષમતા પ્રમાણે દાન કર્યું અને શરૂ કર્યું કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન એટલે બાંધકામ in January 2008 2008 ની અંદર જાન્યુઆરી મહિનામાં they started the construction. તો એ કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન શરૂ કર્યો રણજીતસિંહ સરપંચ. તો this information is provided by the village sarpanch neighbor Ranjit Singh was the sarpanch of the village and he had informed that people donated according to their capacity and they started construction in 2008. This type of question also be asked in the exam. When did they start the construction? So you can answer they started construction in 2000. Who is the sarpanch? Who is the sarpanch of the village? Or who was the sarpanch of the village? The Ranjit Singh was the sarpanch of the village. Now people needed to go Gurugram Delhi on river. Which problems were faced by the people when there was not station in their village? When the station was not in their village at that time, people had to face so many problems. Means people need to go. People in the local need to meet with the January to go Gurugram Delhi and river. There was no station in the Tajnagar, so people of the Tajnagar, if you want to go by train, they have to go Gurugram, Delhi or Rewar to catch the train. If they want to travel in the train, they have to visit or they have to go Gurugram, Delhi or Rewar. And students, next student had to go Halimandi or Patli. Students those who go for college or for study, who goes for study, they had to go Halimandi or Patli. With these stations, these are the stations from where they can travel through train. So student had to go to Halimandi. Now you can see this type of question according to here you can if a question is asked you can answer that people need to go to Gurgaon, Delhi or Rewar, and student had to go Halimandi or now next both the stations are 6 kilometers away. Both the stations are 6 kilometers away. આ બંને જે સ્ટેશન હતા બોથ એટલે બંને the stations are 6 kilometers away. એ એકબીજાથી 6 કિલોમીટર દૂર હતા. So what is the problem? If people want to go or if people want to travel by train, they had to go 6 kilometers away from their village, because there was not a railway station in their village. So people were thinking that if there were a station in our village, if there is a station in our village, we do not have to go anywhere, we can travel from here. So villagers raised their demand in 1982. Villagers raised demand in 1982. એટલે ગામ લોકોએ raised માંગણી રજૂઆત કરી ડિમાન્ડ પોતાની માંગણી in 1982 1982 ની અંદર લોકોએ રજૂઆત કરી કે we want transportation in our village, line passes through our village, so there should be or there must be a station here. They applied they raised their demand to the railway authorities, but what is the reason? The railways rejected the demand due to lack of funds. And you can see the railways rejected railway વાળાએ rejected ના પાડી દીધી the demand તમારી માંગણી સંતોષાય નહીં and due to lack of fund, lack of fund, we do not have sufficient fund. That is the main reason why we are not in position to build a station in your village. हमारे पास પૂરતું ભંડોળ નથી એટલે તમારા ગામમાં અમે સ્ટેશન બનાવી શક્યા નથી. When the demand was not met, first we see when the demand was not met, જ્યારે અમે જરૂરિયાત છે અને માંગણી છે એ સંતોષાય નહીં, તો what did they do? પછી એ લોકો શું કર્યું? તો પંચાયત પાસ a resolution. पंचायत passed a resolution. ग्राम पंचायत ठराव કર્યો. What is the resolution? We will discuss about resolution. Resolution એટલે શું? તો કોઈ પણ ગવર્નમેન્ટ જેને ગુજરાતીમાં ઠરાવ કહેવામાં આવે છે, અને ઠરાવ એટલે શું? તો કોઈ પણ સરકારી કચેરીની અંદર અથવા કોઈ પણ સરકારી ખાતાની અંદર જ્યારે કોઈ પણ કામ જે વહીવટી તંત્ર છે એ વહીવટી તંત્ર દ્વારા જ્યારે પણ કોઈ પણ કામ કરવામાં આવે એ પહેલા 5 કે 10 વ્યક્તિઓ લોકશાહીમાં 5 કે 10 વ્યક્તિઓ બેસી અને પછી નક્કી કરે કે આવું કરવું છે, આવું કરવું જોઈએ. એક જણ પ્રસ્તાવ મૂકે, બીજા બધા સમર્થન આપે અને એ જે વાત છે વાતને બધા સ્વીકારે લે અને આ એક નક્કી કરવામાં આવે, ઠરાવવામાં આવે અને ઠરાવ કહેવામાં આવે છે ઇંગ્લિશમાં રિઝોલ્યુશન કહે છે. તો પંચાયત પાછળ રિઝોલ્યુશન ના લોકો ભેગા થયા અને લોકો ઠરાવ પસાર કર્યો. In 2008 2008 ની અંદર એ લોકોએ સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યો and 11 member team was formed. નક્કી કર્યું કે if government was railway authority is not ready to build a railway station in our village, we will build with our own efforts. And what they started taking actions. See, panchayat passed a resolution in 2008. पंचायत 2008 ની અંદર ઠરાવ પસાર કર્યો. પ્રશ્ન પૂછે કે this type of question can be asked in the exam, that when did they pass a resolution? When did they pass a resolution? Resolution ક્યારે પસાર કર્યું? બરાબર છે. તો પંચાયત પાસ a resolution in 2008 2008 માં એનો ઠરાવ કર્યો. they started taking actions અને આ બાબતને એમને એક્શન લેવાની શરૂઆત કરી. and 11 member team was formed. 11 વ્યક્તિઓની ટીમ બનાવવાના સ્ટાર્ટેડ કલેક્ટિંગ મની. 11 વ્યક્તિઓની ટીમ બની અને ગામમાં પૈસા ઉઘરાવવાનું ચાલુ કર્યું. on 7 January 2010 અને in 2 years on 7 January 2010 7 જાન્યુઆરી 2010 result of their efforts એમના પ્રયત્નોને કારણે they build a station એવો પોતાનો ગામની અંદર એ રેલવે સ્ટેશન બનાવી શક્યા તો આ સ્ટોરી છે this is a story in the story you can understand the problem of the Tajnagar the villagers decided or the villagers was thinking that they had a station or the burning desire was to have a station in the village. They raised the demand in the government, but railway authorities told back or suggested rejected their demand and said they do not have sufficient fund. That is the main reason why they are not in position to build station in the village. So villagers decided and they passed a resolution in 2008 and they put in 21 lakh rupees and started construction. And on the 7th January 2010 there was a great railway station in the world where government didn't pay even our government didn't give even a single rupee and there is a railway station now available. So this is a very simple, you can say there was a problem of the villagers of Tajnagar, but how can or how did they solve the problem? So this is the problem and problem had solution. How did they solve the problem? You can see. So this type of now you can see here one or two or three two marks question can be asked selecting the paragraph will be given and on seeing or observing the paragraph we have to answer the questions. Question can be asked as already I have discussed how long did they lobby for a railway station? Why? So you can see the resident of Tajnagar near Gurgaon lobbied for a railway station for 25 years. Second question, what did they do when their demand was not met? જ્યારે એમની જરૂરિયાતોના સંતોષ થાય શું કર્યું? So when their demand was not met, they decided to take matters into their own hands. What did they do? They pulled in 21 lakh rupees and started building the construction. Okay. Now what are the peoples of the Tajnagar? To the people of the Tajnagar are most of farmers. What are their burning desire? The burning desire to have a station. People what did they do? They donated according to the capacity and started construction. Who is the Sarpanch? Sarojit Singh. People need to go. What are the problem faced by the people need to go to Gurgaon, Delhi or Rewar. A student had to go to Halimandi or okay. Both the stations are how far the stations are from the Tajnagar? 6 kilometers. The villager raised the demand. When did they raise the demand? They raised the demand in 1982. And why did railways rejected the demand? So the railway rejected the demand due to lack of fund. They do not have sufficient fund. That is the main reason why they rejected. Okay. Now, what did the panchayat do? The panchayat passed a resolution when in 2000 and what did which action they had? They an 11 member team was formed and they started collecting money. And on 7th January 2010, as a result of efforts, here this type of question can be asked. You can see two or three words will be given, and by using the words you have to frame sentence. Two marks question can be asked. So this as an effort, as a result, efforts or capacity, this type of words can be asked, and you can solve the. Thank you.